ഇവർ ഉറങ്ങുമായിരുന്ന She was sleeping. They escaped from that house to another house.
But tell her she does not look scared at all.
എന്നിട്ട് പേടിച്ച പോലെ തോന്നലാണ്.
She was quite tough.
നല്ല നല്ല മിടിക്കായിട്ട് നിൽക്കുകയാണ്. പേടിയൊന്നും ഉണ്ടായില്ല. ശരിയാണ്. She was sleeping. വീട്ടിലെ എല്ലാവരും രക്ഷപ്പെട്ടില്ലേ? All of them.
In the house or outside the house?
House and outside. House. Everywhere.
So when it first started, what did she think was going on?
പെട്ടെന്ന് എങ്ങനെ മനസ്സിലായത് എങ്ങനെയാണ് സംഭവം? First of all, the flow of the water. Then they went to another place. Then the landslide came. The entire house was gone. No house. No remind.
Sound.
Only warning is the hearing of this sound. Because a few years back, when they came there was a big landslide. So they know. The relatives saved her. Hello. This is her daughter. They are brothers. This is sister, their sister. We offered that we will conduct the marriage, we will build the house. എന്തും ചെയ്തു ഒട്ടും कोई भी नहीं